So we were learning lesson number 6, adjectives. In that we have we had started exercise number 3 and we had solved a few sentences of exercise number 3. See this. Remember?
Yes, sir.
Remember all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, then I told you to do some sentences in homework. This all we had done. So the sentences which I have given in homework, you have to do in homework and then we will discuss the answers also. Now we will complete this last exercise which we have to solve and then this lesson will be over because this lesson is there in your exam FA3. So let us solve this exercise. Before that we have to study this table. Who will read this table?
Can I read?
Yes, read it but in a horizontal, in the number wise way with the examples.
Okay, sir. Order of adjectives. Number one, quantity or number. Some, for example, some, more, thirsty, 100. Number two, value, opinion or quality. Precious, good, tasty. Number three, size, huge, tiny, medium. Number four, temperature, hot, cold, freezing. Number five, age, 5 years, ancient, new. Number six, shape, circle, round, square. Number seven, color, black, white, blue. Number eight, origin, Indian, African, Mexican. Number nine, material, glass, wood, gold.
Yes, oh, okay, just a minute. Hello, can you all hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sorry for the delay. Now see, these are the order of adjectives. Order means you have to put these adjectives in proper order when in the sentence two or three adjectives are given together. Then you have to check that which adjective will come first and which will come second. All these nine will not be given together in one sentence. Only one or two will be given. So you have to see from that two or three which will come first, then second, then third. If it is given color and if it is given quality, then you should know that quality will come first and color will come after that. If it is given origin and size, then you should know that size will come first and then origin will come. Understood what I'm trying to say?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so based on this, these are just examples. Adjectives you already know that all these are the nine types they have mentioned over here. Now, based on
Sir,
this, yes,
sir, how to find opinion?
opinion. When it will come in the sentence, then I will teach you. Where is it? It is value, opinion, quality. You just remember quality.
Okay, sir.
If you say it is good, then it is quality, and it is also your opinion, like that.
Okay.
Okay. So number one, what should I write?
हेलो सर हेलो
Yes, Ryan.
સર સાહિલ સૈયદ છે ને હું છું રેહાન સૈયદ
What?
આ સાહિલ સૈયદ છે ને હું રેહાન સૈયદ છું હો. મારો
Okay.
ફોન ચાર્જિંગમાં પડ્યો છે ને એટલે મેં મારા પપ્પાના મોબાઈલમાંથી કર્યું.
No problem. Okay. Okay. So answer number one.
Short blue.
Answer number two.
Tall, lanky.
Sir, meaning of lanky?
Means very thin.
Okay, sir.
Number three.
Hiking long trip.
સર તમારી સ્ક્રીન પ્રેઝન્ટ તો કરો.
Screen is already there.
Long
You
hiking.
સર અહીંયા નથી બતાતી હો.
you try to do it again because I have already presented and everyone can see.
સર 2 મિનિટ્સ રીસ્ટાર્ટ કરીને આવું.
Sir, hiking કયું adjective છે?
See over here. Long hiking. So actually both will show the quality only.
હવે આવ્યું.
Yes. Both will show the quality.
Okay, sir.
Hiking is the trip which you go on foot, walking.
Yes, sir. Climbing the mountain with legs.
Okay. Then here.
Small white china cup.
Okay. See capital in China.
Yes, sir.
Number five.
Pluto is a huge black and brown German Shepherd dog.
Okay. Huge black and brown. Answer.
Yes,
Number
sir.
is a huge black and brown German.
Over here. Number 6.
Huge old green rucksack. Huge old green.
Okay. But can we say old huge green? Huge old green or old huge green?
Sir, huge old green.
My grandfather's things are stuffed in a dash trunk.
Small rusty grey trunk.
Small rusty grey trunk. I love eating dash.
Hard boiled. Moist, soft green grass. I had a huge delicious Italian meal.
No, what is it?
I had a huge Italian delicious meal.
No.
I had a huge delicious.
I had a delicious huge Italian meal. Huge delicious.
Huge, delicious Italian meal.
હું પેલા એ તો બોલ્યો હતો સર તમે ના પાડી.
Okay, so this is the answer. See now, we'll just read all the sentences.
ઓકે સર. સર અવાજથી કેમ?
What? So from number 1.
The girl is wearing a short blue dress. He is a tall, lanky man. Andy had recently gone on a long hiking trip. Every morning, I drink from a small well. Pluto is a huge black and brown German Shepherd dog. Father packed his clothes in a huge old green rucksack. My grandfather's things are stuffed in a small rusty grey trunk. I love eating hard boiled eggs. It is very healthy to walk barefoot on moist, soft green grass. I had a huge, delicious Italian meal.
Okay. Now see, this exercise we had started
यार
And
आंसर लिखवाना है स्क्रीनशॉट लेवा
okay.
सर टेकन सर टेकन सर डन
See, in this exercise 3 we had started. I think first 7 or 8 sentences we had done. So we will just revise this exercise again because this is only exercise which takes time and it is little bit difficult to understand. All other exercises were easy. This is the part of transformation which will come even in ninth and in 10th standard. So you have to learn it now only. Transformation of sentences, and this is what change the degree. You know, I had explained you how to change the degree: positive, comparative, superlative.
Yes, sir.
Yes, so we had done first 5 to 7 sentences, but anyway, we will do it again, and you have to solve the rest of the sentences yourselves. Why I'm revising? Because this is little bit difficult for the students to understand, so that when you understand, you can give the proper answer. But before that, we will revise one easy exercise, and then we will revise this one. See, this exercise 2 we will revise over here first, and then exercise 3. So one by one, you have to tell me the answers. You have to write the correct adjectives from the brackets.
more intelligent
Your first answer will be
more intelligent
why?
because of his two sons who is there
Yes, because only two children are compared. See, two sons. So comparative degree.
more hardworking
More hardworking, and then which word?
more hardworking than
Okay.
the most gentle girl
Gentlest. Most gentlest.
the most gentle the most gentle girl
No.
Gentlest. Most gentlest.
What should be the answer?
Sir,
Gentlest
only
girl.
gentlest.
The
The gentlest.
Joy is
Who
the
is the
best
best?
athlete in his school the best
the best.
Yes,
yes
sir.
sir
Why?
so because you are telling superlative we have to write the and then we have to write superlative adjectives
Okay.
happier
No. Happier because who is given?
yes sir ours is the smallest house in this town
The smallest.
yes sir
Why so?
because town in it is town it means more than two, so it will come superlative. Superlative, we have to write first the and then the adjective.
In town, there are more than two houses.
Yes, sir.
So superlative degree, the smallest.
The brightest.
Yes, because all the flowers are given.
Earlier.
No,
The earliest.
Earlier.
because you cannot write the. Why? Because the before the blank pronoun is given. You
Yes,
cannot
sir.
write your the earliest like that. You cannot write.
Common.
No. Two things are compared. This remedy and that remedy.
More common. More common.
Then which word?
Then.
More common than.
This is the safety.
This is the safer.
Safer.
Hmm.
Then
Most significant.
The most significant.
the most significant.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Weaker.
What?
Weaker.
Why
Weaker.
weaker?
Because of the two.
Weak.
Two is compare.
Better.
Better.
The most expensive.
The most
Most
expensive.
expensive.
Disturbance is this.
कितना नहीं अब्बास अली.
Further. I ran father yesterday. Further.
Forest. I ran the
Further.
forest yesterday.
Forest.
Sorry, far,
No,
far,
further.
far.
The farthest.
સર પણ આમાં સુપરલેટિવ ક્યાંથી આવ્યું?
It is not given, but you have to understand that this speaker means that person, he goes for running every day in the morning, right? So he is comparing that every day, what the way he runs, and yesterday he ran was the farthest. The distance that he covers every day, yesterday was the highest distance that he covered from all the days. Okay. See, this is how we change the degree, superlative degree, the biggest, comparative bigger than, and positive as big as. Same way, superlative the bravest, comparative braver than, and positive as bravest. But you have to see how the sentence will start. You have to be very careful. If it is given the biggest, the tallest, the smartest, then you have to write positive degree will start with no other. When the biggest, the plus est is given, then positive degree will start with no other. Please mute your mic. Mute the mic. Nurani, Nurani,
Yes, sir.
mute. So when the plus est is given, positive degree will start with no other. See, when one of the is given, then you will start with only a few. See here, one of the bravest. Then you will start with only a few. If it is the plus est, then you will start with no other. And we have already discussed the rules. So tell me the first answer quickly. Which degree is given as tall as? Means which degree is given already?
Positive.
Okay, then make it comparative. How will you make?
Nanda. Nanda is tall as other baby.
Wait, now my mic was not on. Tell me.
Nanda is tall as other baby.
No.
સર તો કેટલું વાંચ્યું આમાંથી?
First, you tell me which degree you are telling me.
Comparative.
Then, taller than.
Taller આવશે.
Nanda is
Nanda is
taller than
other baby. All other babies.
babies.
સર all
That is,
માં તો superlative નથી છે.
no, you are not understanding. See, superlative is the tallest or one of the tallest. All we have written, but we are comparing Nanda with all other babies, so we have written all.
Okay.
Then what will be superlative?
Nanda is tallest
The
than all
tallest.
other babies. The tallest than all other babies.
But why? You will write than all other only in comparative degree, not in superlative. The tallest baby मतलब उसमें आ गया ना कि सबसे tall है.
બરાબર.
You will not write than in superlative degree.
Okay. So then will come in only comparative.
Yes, THA and then. Then over here, no other Bengal is as
Number
pretty
B,
as mine.
positive. Sentence is
My
positive.
Bengal is prettiest than all others.
No. What will be comparative for this?
Pretty.
What?
Pretty will come. We have
No.
to change pretty comparative degree.
Yes.
Prettier.
Answer. Answer.
Answer. My Bengal is prettier than all others.
Oh. Then.
My Bangladesh prettiest Bangladesh.
Mine is the prettiest Bengal. Got it now?
Yes, sir.
So we will continue with the revision in the next lecture, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, bye.
Bye, sir.